In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PowerPoint slide size. Whether you prefer working in pixels or centimeters, it's a quick and useful trick to perfectly customize your presentation layout. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation you want to edit. Now, go to the Design tab on the top ribbon. On the far right, you'll see Slide Size. Click it. You'll get a few options like Standard or Widescreen, but for full control, choose Custom Slide Size. A new window will pop up. Here's where you can set your exact dimensions. If you want to use pixels, just type your number followed by px. For example, 1920 px by 1080 px. If you prefer centimeters, type cm after your value, like 25 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Once you've entered your measurements, click OK. PowerPoint may ask how you want to scale your content. Choose Maximize or Ensure Fit depending on your layout. And that's it. You've successfully changed your PowerPoint slide size to your exact specifications. This trick is great for designing custom reports, posters, or presentations that fit perfectly on any display.